Couples chat. Hey, Sarah, how was your day?
It was okay. Quite busy at work. How was yours?
Mine was great. I finished the project I was working on.
That's great. Are you feeling relieved?
Completely. I'm looking forward to a relaxing evening. Any plans for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making pasta for dinner. Does that sound good to you?
Of course. Do we need anything from the market?
I think we're all set. I picked up everything this morning.
Awesome. Let's put on some music while we cook.
Great idea. It's always fun to listen to music while cooking.
Would you like to watch a movie after dinner?
How about a walk? It's a lovely evening.
Sound perfect. A walk after dinner would be nice.
It's a date then. Let's enjoy our evening together.
Coffee break. Hi Claire, are you on a coffee break?
Yes, Peter. I'm just taking a short break. Would you like to join me?
Sure, I'd use a coffee. What are you having?
I'm having a latte. What's your favorite coffee?
I usually go for a cappuccino. Do you come here often?
Yes, it's a nice break from the office. How about you?
This is my first time here. It seems like a great spot.
It is. The coffee is good, and it's a nice place to relax for a few minutes.
Definitely. Do you have any favorite coffee shops around here?
There's one a few blocks away that I really like. It has great pastries too.
That sounds nice. Maybe I'll try it sometime.
You should. It's nice to have a change of scenery now and then.
Date conversation. Hi Sarah. It's great to see you. How has your day been?
Hi, Peter. My day's been good, thank you. How about yours?
It's been all right. Quite busy at work. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I think I'll have the pasta. What are you having?
I'm thinking of trying the steak. It looks good.
Sounds delicious. Have you been to this restaurant before?
Yes, a few times. The food is always great. What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy hiking and photography. How about you?
I like playing guitar and reading. Do you have any favorite books?
I love mystery novels. Do you have a favorite genre?
I can recommend some good books if you're interested.
That would be great. I'm always looking for new books to read.
Couple argument. How, Sarah, why didn't you tell me you were going out with your friends tonight?
I thought I mentioned it last week, Peter. Did I forget?
Yes, you did forget. I was expecting us to spend the evening together.
I'm sorry, Peter. It must have slipped my mind.
It's just that we had plans. I feel a bit left out.
I understand, and I apologize. It wasn't intentional.
I know, but communication is important, Sarah.
You're right. I'll make sure to be clearer next time.
Let's just make sure we keep each other informed about our plans.
Agreed. And let's plan something special for this weekend.
That sounds like a good idea. I'd like that.
Me too. I'm sorry again for the mix-up tonight. Asking directions.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Sure, Kevin. Go straight down this road and then turn left at traffic lights.
Go straight and then left at lights. Got it. Is it far?
No, it's not too far. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Perfect. Can I get tickets at the station?
Yes, there's a ticket office inside the station. It's easy to find.
That's good to know. Is the station near the shopping area?
Yes, it's just beside it. You'll see shops as soon as you're near the station.
That's helpful. I might check out the shops too.
Definitely worth a visit. There are some nice stores there.
Thank you for your help, Sarah. I appreciate it. I hope you've liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos.